Christmas is fast approaching, and if you're still shopping for that minimalist carry-on traveler in your life, you've clicked the right video. I am going to get straight to the point and share some top gift ideas that you can add to your Amazon cart and purchase today. If you have Prime, you should be able to get almost all of these items before Christmas. And if you don't have Prime, use the link in my description to start your free trial and get these items before the big day. Hey, I'm Latoya, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I've been traveling with only a carry-on bag for almost a decade now, so I know this life very well. The items on this list are all things that travelers will actually use and appreciate. Links to all items mentioned in this video are in the description. I'm starting off with one of my favorite travel items that I've been using for years. This light down jacket is so handy in multiple situations. It keeps you warm up until -10 degrees, but folds down into a sleeve that ends up being the size of a fist when you don't need it. It's a must-have for any minimalist traveler. Even when I'm heading to a warm destination like the Caribbean, I still pack this for those cold plane rides and unexpected delays when I need to get comfortable. As a minimalist traveler, of course I travel with my compact wireless earbuds, but that presents a problem on planes that only have wired headphone jacks for in-flight entertainment. And there is nothing worse than those cheap plastic headphones with scratchy foam paddings that they provide. This amazing gadget saves the day. It plugs into any 3.5mm audio jack, allowing listeners to use their personal Bluetooth headphones. It's easy to use, and you can even pair it with up to 2 different sets of headphones. How amazing is that? If your minimalist friend needs some new earbuds to go with the AirFly Pro, grab these beautiful Beats Studio noise canceling ones. The sound quality is superb and immersive, and it comes in 2 settings. Active noise canceling for those times when you're sitting next to a crying baby, and transparency mode for when you need to hear what's happening around you. Beats earbuds come with several sets of ear tips, so it will be comfortable for everyone, including those of us with smaller ears. It's also sweat and water resistant. The Beats Studio Buds offers 8 hours of listening time, while the Beats Studio Buds Plus offers 36 hours of listening time. This compact charger is essential for those of us on the go with several devices that need constant charging. I love the built-in cables, which saves me from having to pack them individually and also eliminates the chances that I'll forget one that I need, which is gonna happen. It's a powerful 10,000 milliamp power bank that can charge up to 6 devices at a time. Plus, the digital LED display makes it easy to know how much battery you have remaining at any point. Many airlines are now weighing even the smallest carry-on bag, so this handy and easy to use luggage scale will make sure that your minimalist friend's luggage isn't going to land him or her in some problems at the airport. It has a 110-pound weight capacity and a backlight LCD display. This may not be the sexiest gift ever, but in terms of practicality, it's essential for any traveler that explores the world with just a carry-on. It allows us light travelers to organize our clothes and other items while compressing them. This set includes 1 small, 2 medium, and 2 large packing cubes, which means your minimalist friend will always be able to find the size that's right for them. I love how lightweight these are, and the mesh design is clutch when trying to locate items quickly. This is perfect for ensuring your minimalist traveler friend stays hydrated and can easily fold away when passing through airport security or just isn't needed. It's made with 100% BPA-free food-grade silicone and looks kind of cool. I have one of these plush velvet travel jewelry cases, and admittedly I don't use it for every trip, especially my more active trips where jewelry is the last thing on my mind. But when I'm taking a more leisurely trip or a girl's trip, this is perfect for storing my earrings and other items. It keeps my necklaces from getting tangled and keeps my more precious items safe and together. When traveling, sometimes you just need to block out noise from sources you can't control. These silicone earplugs block out up to 24 decibels of noise while being extremely comfortable. They come in 4 ear tip sizes, so your friend can find the perfect fit. Just because we like the simplicity of minimalist travel doesn't mean we don't like touches of luxury too. This mini Versace gift set includes a nice fragrance, shower gel, and body lotion, all in sizes perfect for a carry-on bag. I hope this list provided you with some ideas that you can pick up for the minimalist traveler in your life. If you want even more ideas, check out my Amazon storefront linked below. I have a bunch of other items that I personally use in there, and that might be right for the person in your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.